So I want to ask you this. Are you going to be that person that shows up with the screwdriver? Or are you going to be that person that shows up with the power drill? You clicked on this video because you want to learn a little bit more about the Vidami Blue, and you have come to the right place. But before I get into that, you might want to understand some very important information. So let me start here. Let's just say, for example, that I am running a contest and I say we're going to be building some furniture and it needs 100 screws to be assembled, right? Now, there's two people that participate. You have one person that shows up with a standard, just a screwdriver, something like this. And then you have another person that shows up with this right here, power drill, right? Now, you might be thinking, well, clearly the person with the power drill is going to win the contest. And you're exactly right. But why is the person with the power drill going to win the contest? And I'm glad you asked. It's because the person with the power drill is going to be more efficient. So you might be asking yourself, well, what does that have to do with the video? And I'm glad that you asked yourself that, because that's exactly what we're going to be talking about today, is a product that is built for efficiency. And the product that I'm talking about today that is built for efficiency is the Vidami Blue. And that's this product right here, the Vidami Blue. So just before the Christmas holiday, I was able to upload videos to my Instagram, which is Mr. Dope Status, and push out a lot of content that I was learning using this Vidami Blue here. So you might be asking yourself, well, what exactly is the Vidami Blue? And the Vidami Blue is a wireless pedal that is used to control things such as YouTube or a DAW. And we're going to get into that in just a moment. But I just want to talk about the basic functions, which is built for efficiency. It has the play, pause, back, forward, speed, and loop. And I'm going to show you how that works in just a second here. So, but before I get into that, I want to cheat real quick and talk a little bit about what this is for, right? So I'm going to read from the back of the box so you just understand just a little bit more information. So bear with me here, right? So it says, learn music online faster and easier than ever before. What was I just talking about? Efficiency. So keep your hands on your instruments to stay focused and in the flow. No more reaching the mouse and keyboard to control the video. They're exactly right, because I don't know about you, but if I have my guitar here, I don't want to have to take my hands to reach for the mouse and do all this right here. That's tedious. So let's continue here. It says, with the Vidami Blue, you can control YouTube and other online video platforms, loop, slow down to learn songs, riffs on YouTube, and more than 35 online video learning platforms. It says you can turn pages and scroll tabs and lyrics, control digital audio workstations, and it says record, loop, add tracks, set markers on today's most popular DAWs include Logic, Ableton, Reaper, and a list of others. And I'd already talked a little bit about the speed, loop, back, play, pause, forward, and I'm gonna show you exactly how that works right now. But before I do want to talk about the system requirements, which it says it works on Apple as well as the Windows. You need a Bluetooth connection and the internet. It says Safari 10.15 or later, Chrome 10.10, and that's for the OS, and Safari 14 installed. And basically the way it works by having an extension installed in your browser. So I've already set that up, and let me just go ahead and show exactly how that works. I'm gonna go ahead and pull up my browser here and make this full screen. So let's just say that I have my guitar. I'm learning how to play an instrument, and let's just say I want to go ahead and press play.
Going back and forth between G's.
So I'm learning. Now when I want to go back because I missed it, I just hit the back button there.
Anytime you're ready.
Go back.
Go ahead and hop in.
I can go forward.
Between G and C at 9. 1, 2, 3.
I I could set my loop points.
4, C, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4.
So that's how that pretty much works, and it works flawlessly. So in the box you have the unit, and then it also comes with the small rubber feet that you can place on the bottom to keep it from sliding around on the floor. And also comes with a charging cable as well. An indicator light that's on the back of it to let you know that it's connected to Bluetooth. It lets you know when the battery's about to die. Just basic stuff. And that's pretty much it. So I want to ask you this. Are you going to be that person that shows up with the screwdriver? Or are you going to be that person that shows up with the power drill? I'm going to leave a link down in the description below. Click that link. It's going to take you to the page. Buy the product if you want to be that person that shows up with the power drill. My name is Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram. Thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on the next review. Thank you for watching. We're out.